In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a 2026 MoneyGram promo code to reduce your transfer fee. If you want to save money on an online transfer, this process is quick and very straightforward. The main goal is to find a valid promo code, copy it correctly, and apply it before you complete your payment. A small detail, like entering the code in the right place, can make an immediate difference in the final transaction fee, so it's worth taking a moment to do carefully. To begin, look for a valid 2026 promo code on the MoneyGram deals page or in a promotional email. Make sure the code is current and clearly listed as available for online transfers. Promo codes can sometimes come with conditions, so it helps to check that the offer is still active before moving forward. This can prevent issues later if the code doesn't apply as expected. Once you've found the promo code, copy the code text exactly as it appears. This is important because even a small mistake, like a missing character or an extra space, can stop the discount from working. If you're copying from a website or email, take an extra second to confirm that you've selected only the code and nothing else around it. Next, go to MoneyGram.com and set up your online transfer. Enter the transfer details as usual, including the amount, destination, and any required payment information. Move through the process until you reach the payment summary page. This is the stage where you'll usually see a breakdown of the fees and the total cost of the transfer. On the payment summary page, look for the box labeled promo code. When you find it, paste the code into that box. Pasting the code instead of typing it manually is often the best way to avoid errors and make sure the promotion is entered exactly right. After the code is in place, click Apply. If the promo code is valid, your transaction fee should update instantly, and you'll see the reduced amount reflected in the summary. This is the key confirmation that the discount has been accepted. Before you complete the transfer, take one last look at the payment summary to make sure the lower fee is showing correctly. If everything looks right, you can continue with confidence, knowing you've applied the available savings. That's it. That's how to use a 2026 MoneyGram promo code to lower your transaction fee instantly.